Being an artisan of comfort means so many things. It's really our intention to design and build home furnishings that customers can be proud of.
Inspiration comes from a lot of different places. My favorite place to look for inspiration is from pop culture. Seeing what's happening in movies, what's happening on television, music, fashion.
We're taking something that needs to be aesthetically pleasing, but also usable on the day-to-day basis. We'll pull inspiration sheets, we'll do sketching.
We customize everything at Mitchell Gold. This is about having a beautiful piece that you know it's only been made for you. Artisans of Comfort means our commitment to quality, our commitment to craftsmanship, our commitment to creating joy in our customers' homes.